Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the comparison of the AOLON watch Tetra S5, comparing it with the H11 smartwatch. Both do have an outdoor rugged style design. On this video, we are going to focus on the comparison of its menus and features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearable when it comes to the menus and features, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and compare the menus and features of the AOLON watch Tetra S5 compared with the H11 smartwatch. Okay, so let's just put this on the side. Let's have the wearable here. Again, let's have a closer look at the design here. Both do have an LED flashlight on the side. We have a pogo pin here, magnetic charging, wireless charging for our H11 smartwatch. Okay, both do have a sporty flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin. Okay, for the UI, settings and options, notifications here. For the H11, on the bottom part we have notifications. We have a dashboard here for the common applications. On the left side, we have the split screen here. This one we have a dashboard again for popular applications. On the right side, we have the widgets or the components. To access the main menu, just press the power button. To activate the built-in flashlight here, you can use the button here. Okay, on, off. While for our H11, you can use the crown button here, double press. Okay, we'll have a separate review for the LED flashlight here. We'll have a comparison of the brightness. Going back to the main menu, so we have the sports functions here. We have the daily activity tracking. We have a Bluetooth call. We have a heart rate monitoring. What else do we have here? We have a blood pressure here. We don't have it here. We have the workout. Okay, both do have a good list of sports functions, but seems like more sports functions is available for our AOLON watch Tetra S5. Not that much, but much better compared to our H11. We have the blood oxygen monitoring. On back, we have the sleep monitoring. We have Bluetooth call. We have the Bluetooth call here. Okay, both do have the support for call history, keypad, and contacts. We have remote photo control, Bluetooth music control function. Where's the Bluetooth music control for our H11? We have it here. Okay, going back, we have weather report. We have breathing guide, a calculator. We also have it here. We have a toolbox, remote shutter, sedentary stopwatch, remote photo control, and a calendar. We have a compass here. We don't have it here. We have a games here. Do we have a games here? Run back. No, we don't have a games, but both do have an AI voice assistant. They almost have the same features here, as you can see. We have the settings. Okay, the brightness. We have the watch face, do not disturb mode. Okay, we don't have this time settings here. We have it here directly on our H11. For the time settings here, you have to go to the support app. Much better layout here for our H11. For the display, Okay, more options here for our H11. So talking about the UI and the features, seems like the H11 do have a much better features, more options compared to our Tetra S5. But when it comes to the design and durability, I think the AOLON Watch Tetra S5 do have a much better body design and of course durability also. So that's it for our comparison review of the menus and features of the AOLON Watch Tetra S5, comparing it with the H11 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel so we can provide more video review of smartwatches. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.